back to Triumph Newcastle's YouTube channel. Clarky here, out on the Tiger Sport 800 today. We'll do our usual, we'll have a little sound check, we'll have a sit on it, we'll have a walk round, and I'll go through some of the tech on the fly. So let's find somewhere quiet where I can do this walk round and go through some of the stats. We'll have a little walk around this Tiger 800 now I'm parked up. So first of all we'll step back and take it all in. Good looking bike. So yeah, so we'll start at the front. You've got Triumph's own radial calipers, which are rather good. A one-off engine, so this engine is just for the Tiger, and you've got 113 bhp at 10,700 revs and 84 newton meters of torque, and that finishes at 8,500 revs. It does feel a lot lower down, mind. It does feel very punchy, pokey motor. You've got an outside exhaust now, where the 660 it's tucked up underneath, but I think it adds to the look of the bike. It's not a bad looking exhaust, that. You've obviously got the good old LEDs all round. You've got an adjustable screen there, which is very easy to use. I'm not one of these ones for using them on the move, but you will see in this video that I do actually adjust it while riding along. You've got cornering ABS and cornering traction control. Now they do call it cornering ABS and cornering traction control rather than it's got an IMU. But it will have. It's all linked together, isn't it? You've got a quick shifter as standard. You've got cruise control as standard. So it's quite a well-spec'd bike. And you've got your dash, which everybody goes on about. But again, it's like the rest of the bike. You get just enough. You don't need any more. You've got a little TFT at the bottom. You've got an LCD at the top. So yeah, all the info's there. You don't need one of these massive colour screens, which is quite nice. So yeah, not a bad bike for its money. As I said, you get cruise control, and it's called one touch cruise control. So that's me turning it on, and then you'll see I've set it there. So you just hold your throttle still. I had to touch the brake because there was something in front of us. So yeah, so you turn it on and then you hit it again, one touch. You see the little light goes green. So that's it, cruise is set. Now everybody goes on about where's the adjustment, but it's dead easy. Just reach for the throttle, throttle it off, pick a different speed, hit the button again. Dead simple, just how I like it. One touch cruise control, I love it. It's dead easy to use and it just works perfectly. What more can you want? Excellent, dead easy to use cruise control. And while we're riding along, we'll show you how you use your modes. So there is a little mode button, so you hit the mode button. It rattles through which one you want, and then you hit the little tick to pick it, and then you'll see as a little red line comes up, you throttle off, it tells you what the ABS and everything is, and that's it, it's engaged. So press your mode button, pick the one you want, tick it, red line, throttle off, engage your map, job's a good one. Again, dead easy to use, mode button. Let's have a little listen to this triple engine. So it's going to be a bit hard to do because I've got to go turn on, swap hands with the camera, hopefully I've got a spare finger, clutch in, hit the starter button, there we go, into life. Proper cool noise from that triple engine. As well as the cool sounding triple engine, we've got to get the Induction Roar. So here we go, let's capture it. adding to the cool noise is the quick shifter. Yeah, it just adds to the sensation and the feeling. I love quick shifters, they're just great fun. As I mentioned in the walk around, you've got a very easy to adjust screen. I'm not a big fan of doing this on the fly, but as you'll see, it's just dead easy. Grab it, pull it up, full height. You can go somewhere in the middle, it is on a little ratchet. So yeah, super easy to use. Again, that's this bike all over. It doesn't have to be dead expensive and fiddly and awkward, it just has to work, and that's this whole bike all over. The quick shifter's bang on, the adjustment of the screen's dead easy, the dash is brilliant, not too much, just enough, exactly what you need. Let's head back to the shop and do our sitting test. Yes, the bit that you all love, so you get an idea of the dimensions of the bike. Like I said, the sitting test. So I'm your benchmark. I'm 5'10" with 32-inch inside leg, and luckily I've still got enough swing in my legs to get over the bike and my tail pack that I left on. Seat height 835mm. With it being a triple, it's nice and thin at the petrol tank, so your legs go straight down, and you'll see I'm solid balls of feet with my heels just off the ground. Now, Tigers are very good shape. The ergonomics are excellent. Nice high handlebars, very straight back, lovely relaxed knee. Proper mighty to this bike if you want it to be, but as you've seen in probably bits of the video, it is a good handling bike, but that's the big handlebars, loads of leverage. Curb weight 214 kilograms, so not a bad weight, probably why it feels so nimble. So all in all, a cracking good all-rounder. I do hope you've enjoyed this little bit of content, and I've found something that some of the bike press haven't, and give you a little bit of extra info that some people have missed. So you know the score. If you like what we're doing, thumbs up. If you love what we're doing, please subscribe. And if you need to know more info on the Tiger Sport 800, follow us down to Triumph Newcastle, our new shop in Gateshead, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye for now.